How to make calendar week start with Monday on Android, iOS, and Windows. By default, weeks in Google Calendar, and other calendars, will start on Sunday if you use English, US, as your default language with applied regional settings. Although great if you're in the USA, many regions and countries prefer Monday as the first weekday. Of course, you can change this in calendar settings, and we made sure to explain how to set the calendar to start the week with Monday. Table of contents. Change calendar to start from Monday on Android. Set Apple Calendar to start the week on Monday. Choose Monday as the day to start the week on Windows. How do I make Monday the first day of the week? The option you're looking for is almost always in calendar settings. Once you change this, you'll see weeks starting with Monday in the month view. The procedure is similar on Android and iOS and somewhat different on your Windows PC. Which is expected? 1. Change calendar to start from Monday on Android. The most used Android calendars are Google Calendar and Microsoft Outlook Calendar, although Samsung Calendar follows closely. We made sure to explain how to set Monday as the starting day of the week for all three services. Here's how to set Google Calendar to start weeks with Monday. Open Google Calendar. Tap on the hamburger menu, 3 vertical lines in the top left corner, and open Settings from the bottom. Open General. Tap Start of the Week and select Monday. Calendar start with Monday. This is how to set Monday as the day to start the week on Outlook Calendar. Open the Outlook app. Tap Calendar in the bottom right corner. Tap on the calendar icon in the top left corner and then tap the cog icon at the bottom to open Settings. Swipe down and, under the Calendar section, open the Week Start option. Choose Monday. Calendar start with Monday. And this is how to change the starting day of the week on Samsung Calendar. Open Samsung Calendar. Tap on the hamburger menu, 3 vertical lines, and tap on the cog icon at the top to open Settings. Expand the first day of the week option and choose Monday. 2. Set Apple Calendar to start weeks with Monday. Apple users tend to stick to Apple Calendar in most cases, and we understand why. It's a built-in option that does everything, and it's well integrated with other Apple services and devices that are part of the ecosystem. And, just like with all iOS built-in apps, you'll find settings to change the day to start a week in System Settings. Here's how to set Apple Calendar to start weeks with Monday. Open Settings. Open Calendar. Scroll down and open Start Week On. Select Monday from the list. Calendar start with Monday. 3. Choose Monday as the day to start the week on Windows. You can use a lot of third-party calendars on Windows 10 or 11, but we'll stick with the default calendar, the one that shows in the notification area. To make these changes, you'll need to tweak regional settings. Here's how to choose Monday as the day to start the week on Windows. Press the Windows key +I to open Settings. Choose Time and Language and then Language and Region. Calendar start with Monday. Under the Region section, click on the regional format. On the option, not the drop-down menu. Click Change Formats. Calendar start with Monday. Click on the drop-down menu under the first day of the week and select Monday. Calendar start with Monday. And, with that, we can conclude this article. Thank you for reading, and we certainly hope that this article answered some questions you had. If you have more questions or suggestions, you can share them with us and other readers in the comments section below.